Hello everyone, my name is Hale and today I'm going to be showing you guys this. This right here is a 478 nanometer laser diode pointer. It's a very interesting laser, quite rare, using Nietzsche diodes. Here you can see it's a very nice color. Sadly the camera cannot capture it, but it's like a perfect aquamarine color. It's halfway between 488 and 473 nanometers. It's a very nice color. Uh, this here, it's in a JROB host using Nietzsche diodes, and if I show you the battery, here it is. It's a CR2 battery, so one of those lithium 3-volt CR2 batteries. It fits right in here. It's case negative. So I'll turn this on, and one thing you'll notice is if I bring out the beam, you'll see this box-shaped pattern thing here, and this happens with a lot of laser diodes I've owned, but this one has it a lot. So you can still see the laser dot in the middle there, but there's this box pattern around it, and it's pretty clear on this laser for some reason. But I'm fine with that, to be honest. And I heard that if you use a different lens, it can go away. If I bring the beam very far, you can see it's still the same pattern, and it gets bigger. To make you see it easier, I have this piece of felt here, and let me turn on the laser. You can see there is, you can still see that box shape if I move it back a bit. This time it's way clearer to see the actual laser dot, which is there. I think the box is actually just the emission thing, like it's reflecting off the glass window, I think, and back onto the emission thing. I don't know what it is called. But I'll close the lights to make it so you can see it. So you can see some of the beam shots. Okay, let's try it out. And it is way brighter now. Sadly, the camera makes it look like a light blue-ish, but in real life it's not. It's a perfect aqua color. Like, I don't know how to describe it really. Let's point it up, and there you can see the beam. It's quite clear for a 25 milliwatt laser. Yes, this is 25 milliwatts. It's using the Nietzsche diodes. 25 milliwatts. I mean, it's pretty bright for a 25 milliwatt laser. You can see the beam at this angle like most lasers, and you can even see it sideways if I point it far away. I think it will make it easier if I point it back at that felt. Yeah, now you can see it also this angle here. It's a very nice laser, and there's one thing that I'm confused about. Like, look, I'll get a white piece of paper. Here it is. Here's just a white piece of paper. And look, when I turn on the laser, and then I turn it off, you can see this green emission. And this happens no matter what I do. Like, if I open up the laser, and even if I take the battery out, you can still see the green emission, even when there's no battery. And even like a few seconds later, it's still there. Maybe it's some sort of capacitor thing. See, look, I'll turn this back on. I'll put the battery back in. And it's pretty bright too, like, you can see it there. And it's not lasing, but I think it's some sort of like, I think the capacitor still has energy and is slowly discharging it. So let's see how long it lasts. So it lasts for a few seconds like this, and I'll now try facing the camera. Oh look, oh wow, this is actually a good way. But let me bring that close up. Wow, that's actually a good way. You can see the emission area. There you should be able to see that thing. There is the emission area. That's pretty cool. These are pretty rare lasers, and it's a very nice wavelength. I really like this wavelength, and I wish it was available in slightly higher powers. But for me, actually, this is fine for now. It's a very nice small laser too. Thanks for watching.